ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा भामति मत says निदिध्यासनम is प्रधानम, श्रवणम मननम they are सहकारी. They gave Shruti Uddharanam. They Dhyana Yoga. Tikakar also gave one quotation. Tatasutam Pashyati Nishkalam Dhyayamana. According to Vibran Mata, Shravanam is Pradhanam. Manan Nididhyasana, they are Arat Upakaraka Anga. I had said to look for some Shruti Uddharanam. Anybody found any Shruti for Vivarana? Vivarana Samarthanam. Like Shravanam Pradhanam, Manan Nididhyasana, Gauna. Anybody tried to look for it first?
Yes, ज्ञानेन सदृशं पवित्रमिह विद्यते. Gita.
Not that. That doesn't say Shravanam Pradhanam Manan Nididhyasana.
तद्विज्ञानार्थं
Tadvijnanartham Sadhutam. Any other? Anybody else?
शास्त्रस्य श्रवणं कुर्यात्.
Shastrasya Shravanam Kuryat. What is this called? Sanyasya Shravanam Kuryat.
Yes, Swami.
No, that is. You can use Saishonima Aitadatmamidam Sarvam Tat Satyam Sa Atma Tattvamasi. This Vakya is Shravana Pradhana. In this, Manan Nididhyasana is not given. That you do Mananam, then you do Nididhyasanam or anything. Shravanam alone is given. And thereafter, in Chandogya 6th chapter, some Prashna Uttara is there, question answer. But Shravanam is emphasized every time. This is one you can see. Or like Nachiketa, Shravanam was Pradhanam. These are the only examples we can think of. Naradji also was given Shravanam. There was no Manan Nididhyasana Upadesha as such. Then it was said, this Angatvam is not Tartiya Sheshatva Rupam. Tartiya Sheshatva we saw Tritiya Adhyaya, Tritiya Pada, Pratipadya. like how it is in Shruti Linga Vakya Prakana Sthana Samakyanam Samavaye Paradorvalyam Artha Viprakarshat in this sutra. Page number 221. Tika. Shrutyadi abhavam sputayati. Shruti Linga Vakya Prakana Sthana Samakyanam, how it is there in the Tritiya Dhyaya, Tritiya Pada of Mimamsa, it is not the case with Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam. That he explains. Tatha hi. Vrihi bhir yajeta dadna juhoti ityada viva मनन निधिध्यासनयोर अंगत्वे न काचित तृतीया श्रुति रस्ति. Just as व्रीहि भीर यजेत दधना जुहोति, in them मनन निधिध्यासनयोः अंगत्व is given. मनन निधिध्यासन, they are anga. अंगत्वे न काचित तृतीया श्रुति. There is no तृतीया श्रुति. तृतीया श्रुति, तृतीया विभक्ति is not there. Like in Manana or Nididhyasana. When Tritiya is there, Vrihi, Dadna, Vrihi, Behi, Dadna, they are Tritiya. Means they become sadhana. See 1 number tippani. Tritiya Shruti Riti Nirapeksho Ravaha Shruti Riti Shruter Lakshanam. What is Shruti? So this Shruti Shabda you have to connect in Shruti Linga Vakya Prakarana Sthana Samakya. In that, Shruti Shabda refers to Nirapeksho Ravaha Shrutihi. This is the definition in Artha Sangraha. Ravaha means Shabda. Nirapeksha means not depending upon anything. That which does not depend upon anything, such Shabda is called Shruti. Whereas Linga depends upon Shruti for its samarthanam. Vakya depends upon Linga and Shruti for its samarthanam. But Shruti is Nirapeksha. Sarvasameva Karaka Vibhaktinam Prakrityarthanvita Swartha Bodhane Itaran Apekshatvat. Whatever Karaka Vibhakti is there, not only Tritiya, Dvitiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, whatever, Karaka Vibhakti Nam Prakritya Artha Anvita Swartha Bodhane Itara Anapekshatvat. Whatever the Prakarana is there, that Prakritya Artha Anvita, Tad Anvita Swa Artha Bodhane, Shruti does not expect anything else. Itara Anapekshatvat. And Tritiya is only Upalakshanam. Tritiya iti Upalakshanam Sarvasam Karaka Vibhaktina. All Karaka Vibhaktis you can apply here. So, all Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, etc., any such Karaka Vibhakti, they are Itara Anapeksha when they are given in Veda. That is Shruti. If it is expecting something else for its samarthanam, it will become Linga, Vakya, Prakarana, something else. Tathacha Vrihi Bhir Yajeta Ityadau Vrihyadinam Yagadi Angatvam Tritiya Shrutyaha. Shrutya only, Visarga is not required. Yagadi Angatvam Tritiya Shrutya. By the Tritiya Shruti, Vrihi becomes the Anga of Yaga. So this Vibhakti Shruti, Karaka Vibhaktis, it will show that things are Karaka. Wherever there is Karakatvam, that will become the Anga. So Vrihi has Tritiya, Vrihi Bihi, Dadana Juhoti. Or another example is given. Vrihin Avahanti is Dvitiya. It will become Karaka. That Karaka is Anga of some Yaga. So Yaga is Pradhana these karakas which are given in different vibhaktis, they will become anga. So when we understand that between Shravanam and Manan Nididhyasana, there are no such Dvitiya, Tritiya, Shruti. It's not that Shravanam is in Prathama and the others are in some Karaka Vibhakti. Because they are not in Karaka Vibhakti, they are not Anga like this Tartiya Shruti, Tritiya Vibhakti or Karaka Vibhakti Shruti. Na Angatvam iti Jneyam. नापि बहिर्देव सदनम दामी इत्यादि मंत्राणाम बहिर्खंडन प्रकाशन सामर्थ्यवत किंचित लिंगम अस्ति. So now there is no lingam also. So no shruti, no linga, no vakya, that he is going to show each. Bahirdeva sadanam dami is a linga. Vrihi bir yajeta dadana juhoti etc. They are shruti.
Is it Bahi or Barhi, Swamiji?
Bahirdeva sadanam dami. Tika.
One more reference, Swamiji. Barhir Devasa.
In Tika they have given two refers, Barhir. But in Mulam, one refer is missing, I think. Barhir Deva Sadanam. Let me check quickly. Barhir Deva Sadanam. This is another reading which has Repa in some other place. Let me see one more thing. Barhir Deva Sadanam should be correct. So he says, I am cutting the shakha, Barhirdevasadanam dami. Barhi means darbha. Darbha छेदन प्रकाशन सामर्थ्य लिंग. बर्हि खंडन प्रकाशन सामर्थ्यवत. How it is there in Manan Nidhi Dhyasana, such lingam na asti. There is no such lingam. Second number tippani. Lingam iti artha prakashana samarthyam lingam nirapeksho ravah shrutihi. Barhirdevasadanam dami deva sidanti asmin iti devasadanam. Devasadanam means the abode for the devatas, where devatas will come and stay. Devanam asanartham. So darbha is for devata asanam. He barhihi tvam dami. Dami chinadmi. I am cutting you for devasadanam. इति अर्थकस्य मंत्रस्य छेदन कर्म बोधन सामर्थ्यात् बर्हिर्लवन रूप कर्मांगत्वम. सो बर्हिर्लवन is कर्मस्य अंग, कर्मणः अंगम. It is part of some karma. But here Manan Nidhi Dhyasan is not that kind of anga. All this is not directly required. He wants to show that Manana Nidhi Dhyasana, they are not anga, like how in Karma Kanda something becomes anga. Either Karakas, Dravya becomes anga, or some such other karma becomes anga. Napi pradeshantara pathita प्रवर्ग्यस्य अग्निष्टो में प्रवृणक्ति इति वाक्यवत् श्रवणानुवादेन मनननिधिध्यासनयोर वियोजकम किंचित वाक्यम अस्ति. No such vakya is there where Mananididhyasana become viyojaka. Viyojaka means whose vinyoga is done. And such vakyas, they are pradeshantar pathita. In some other Pradesh means other prakarana, such pathita is there. Like pravargyasya agnishto me pravrunakti iti. So like how this vakya is pravargya vidya, it is not like that. Shravana anuvadena mananididhyasana, they become viniyojaka. Viyojakam, actually it should be viniyojakam. Kinchid vakyam na asti. Vini you add. Huh? नापि दर्श पूर्ण मासाभ्याम स्वर्ग कामो यजेत इति वाक्य अवगत. फल साधनता का दर्श पूर्ण मास प्रकरणे प्रयाजादीनामिव फल साधनत्वेन अवगतस्य श्रवणस्य प्रकरणे मनन निधिध्यासनयोर आम्नानम. And it is also not like how darsha purnamasa and prayajadi, they become the anga for phalasiddhi. Like that, between Shravanam and Manan Nididhyasana, there is no such sambandha also. On previous page, see third tippani, वाक्य परस्परान्वित स्वार्थ प्रतिपादक पदानाम संहतिर वाक्यम. परस्पर अन्वित स्वार्थ प्रतिपादक पद, they are called padanam samhati. Samhati means their sangathanam, they are called vakyam. Vakyam padani evatu samhatani. Samhatani padani. But how they are? Swartha pratipadaka pada. They are paraspara anvita, but they are revealing their meaning in that sangathanam. How? Yatha arunaya pingakshya ekahayanya gava सोमं क्रीणाति इति यत्र परस्परान्वित स्वार्थ प्रतिपादकानां अरुणादिपदानां वाक्य प्रमाणेन सोमक्रयण अंगत्वम इति। अरुणया पिंगाक्ष्या all are in tritiya. Somam Krinati, for the Ritvik who is going to do Somayaga, the Yajamana will give this Ekahayanya, Arunaya, Pingakshya, Gava, all are in Tritiya, Somam. So with these, means one cow which is less than a year old, which is Pingakshi, whose eyes are Pinga, Pingalakara, Rupa, and Aruna. So the cow is slightly that reddish, brownish red. Somam Krinati. In this, iti atra parasparanvita swartha pratipadakanam arunadi padanam. So, Arunaya Somam Krinati, Pingakshya Somam Krinati, Ekahayanya Somam Krinati. But their Anvaya actually happens with Gava Shabda. Arunaya Gava. So, cow should be Aruna Rupa, should be Pingakshi, should be Ekahayani. Arunadi Padanam Vakya Pramanena Soma Krayanangatvam iti. So with this, they will have Soma Krayana Angatvam. They will become Anga, all the Padas. Yathava Agnistome Pravrunakti iti Vakyasya Pradeshantar Padhita Pravargyakhya Karmano Angatva Bodhakatvam iti. Or Agnistome Pravrunakti in this Vakya Pradeshantar Padhita Pravargyakhya Karma. There is some Pravargya Karma. In that, Angatvam is there of this Vakya, Agnishtome Pravrunakti. But such Anga Angi of different types, using Shruti, Linga, Vakya, Prakarana, etc., is not seen in Atmavare, Drashtavya, Shrotavya, Mantavya, Nidhi, Dhyasitavya. They all are Samana. So the Anga Angi does not mean there is one Mukhya and something else is very Gauna. What it means is the Shravanam will not give Phalam unless you do Mananam Nididhyasana. So a question had come, what about Shravana Matrena Jnanam Bhavati, etc. So Shravana will give Jnanam, there is no doubt. But that Jnanam can be Pratibandha Jnanam. Some Pratibandhaka can be there. And for Uttam Adhikari, if it is said Shravanam will produce Jnanam, those Uttam Adhikaris also, they have become Uttama over so many Janmas. You should always remember that. For example, if someone says Shukadev ji got Jnanam by Shravanam, but Shukadev ji did not become Shukadeva in this Janma. To become Shukadeva like, he has already done so much sadhana in previous Janmas. Or Vamadeva. Vamadeva Rishi heard Mahavakya in Purva Janma. In this Janma, he got Dhyana. So, somebody who is so much prepared, and in this Janma, if he hears Mahavakya, like in Naishkarmya Siddhi, 2nd chapter we are seeing now. So, it was said, somebody Shravanat, somebody Shravanat, etc. But that Adhikari was prepared over so many Janmas. So the importance is not there in that second chapter of Naishkarmya Siddhi, emphasis is not on that Manan Nidhi Dhyasana is not needed. Emphasis is on without Mahavakya you cannot get Jnanam or you cannot get Moksha. Whether that Mahavakya, the efforts for that are only in one Janma or over so many Janmas. So it is always over so many Janmas that the sadhaka is prepared. So that's why the credit when it is given to Shravanam, in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha, Acharya gives that Sakrit, he will get Brahmakar Vritti. But you see what qualifications Acharya writes there. He says he is Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampanna. Sadhana Chatushtaya means how in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sangraha, Sadhana Chatushtaya is given, like that he has. And he is a Brahmana. He writes there. And he is a Sarvakarma Sannyasi. And then he will get it. So Shravana Matrena is mainly to emphasize importance of Mahavakya Shravanam. It is not to show that there is no Manan Nidhi Dhyasanam. You might have done it through so much other upasana, etc. So Nididhyasana yoho amnanam. Amnanam na. In Shravana Prakarana, Manan Nididhyasana, they are not indicated as like how Prayajadi are for Darshapurna Masa. 1 number tippani. Prakarana iti. Sa prakriya ya katham iti apeksha. So when yaga is there, how to do this yaga? So apeksha is there. Then some other supporting vakyas are given. See in tippani. Yatha Darshapurna Masabhyam Yajeta iti pradhana vidhi bodhite. When Darshapurna Masabhyam Yajeta, this pradhana vidhi is given. Karmani katham kuryat iti akankszayam. So katham kuryat, when this akanksha comes in regard to karma, akankszayam satyam, tat prakarane samidho yajati, tanunapatam yajati, ido yajati, barhir yajati, swahakaram yajati, iti samidhadinam pathitatvat. So these 5 are given in that prakarana. Darshapurna Masa. Samidhadinam pathitatvat, tesham prakaranat Darshapurna Masadi angatvam. So because it is the same Samana prakarana, they will have angatvam of Darshapurna Masa. So such angangi bhava is not there in Shravana Mananam Nididhyasana. Tika prakaran abhavo nasti iti shankate. So there is no prakaran abhava. Purva Paksha says, nanu drashtavya iti darshana anuvadena shravane vihite sati halavattaya shravana prakarane tat sannidha vamna tayor manan nididhyasanayoh prayajanyayena prakaranat eva angata iti chet. The Atmavare Drashtavya is given. So Darshana Anuvadena Shravana Vidhanam is done. Shravane Vihite Sati. Now, Phalavattaya, that which is going to give Phalam, Shravana Prakarane Tad Sannidhau Amnatayoho. In the proximity of Shravana, Manan Nididhyasana are given. In that same Prakarana, so Samana Prakaranatva, how you said, between Darshapurna Masa and Prayaja, it applies here. So Prayaja Nyayena Prakaranatvat eva angata iti chet. I will tell you something else also. in Panchapadika, so much such vichar is also there. Brahma Sutra Bhashya has not too much of this mixing with Karma Prakarana. But in other tikas, so much of these other things are also given. And sometimes you feel that why do I have to know what is Prayajadi and Darsha Purnamasa and Ido Yajati, Tanuna Patam Yajati, Mana Nididhyasan, how they are related to Shravanam. Just tell me that. If they are not Anga in any of these Shruti, Linga, Vakya, Prakarana in these ways, just tell me how they are connected. What is their role? And if too much of this other discussion comes, Darsha Purnamasa, etc., you lose the main focus only. What is the main topic being discussed? My question was something. You are explaining with all these other things, and I lose the impact. So, if a sadhaka has lot of dhairya, patience, and they are able to see the light at the end of the tunnel while we are going through the prakriya, they will keep studying. Some people will say, well, too much of other things are there, they will drop out. And because of reasons like, first of all, we don't have samskaras of those karma kanda kind of things. So such vakyas, such vyakhyanam, the explanation, etc., it looks very irrelevant for a sadhaka. Person who says, I am just going to study, no matter what. For those people, it is different. But if you are looking for some immediate, okay, where should I apply and what is the goal of this kind of study, for them, simple thing is that Shravanam is mukhya, but Manan Nidhi Dhyasanam, they are needed for getting clarity. That's why Prasthanatraya Adhyanam and Nidhi Dhyasanam means I should be able to reflect on the teaching regularly, repeatedly. So Purvapakshi says why they are not Anga, like Prayajadi are Anga of Darsha Purnamasa. Siddhanti says, na. Te dhyana yoganugata apashyan ityadi shrutyantare dhyanasya darshana sadhanatvena avagatasya anga akankszayam प्रयाज न्यायेन श्रवण मननयोर एव अंगता पत्तेः अंगता आत्तेः ने अंगता पत्तेः प So this is Shvetashvatar Shruti, te dhyana yoganugata apashyan ityadi shrutyantare dhyanasya darshana sadhanatvena. Dhyanam is darshan sadhana. Sadhanatvena avagatasya anga akankshayam. Somebody will say this is anga. Prayaj nyayena shravan mananayoho eva angatapatteः. So by this nyaya, if you use, Shravan Manan will become Anga, not Manan Nididhyasanam becoming Anga. In Tippani on previous page, number 2, Darshana Sadhanatvena Avagatasya Dhyanasya निदिध्यासनस्य प्रयाजन्यायेन प्रकरणात् इत्यर्थः। दर्शन साधनत्वेन अवगतस्य ध्यानस्य निदिध्यासनस्य, ध्यान मीन्स निदिध्यासन इज साधन फॉर दर्शन, आत्मदर्शन। प्रयाज न्यायेन प्रकरणात्, this is known through प्रयाज न्याय. So prayaja, how it is part of the same prakarana as darshapurna, like that. Darshanam, shravana mananayoho angatva apatte. Shravana manan will become anga. अर्थात श्रवणांगत्वम मन निदिध्यासनयोः व्यवस्थापयति भवति मननांगत्वम श्रवणस्य. Something is, so श्रवणांगत्वम मन निदिध्यासनयोः व्यवस्थापयति. Such shruti is not there according to Shravana Mananayoho Angatva. If Nididhyasana is taken as Prakarana, Shravana Manan will become Anga. And therefore, Shravana Angatva of Manan Nididhyasana, this is not there. And if you say Manan Nididhyasana are Anga of Shravana, then Nididhyasana will not be Prakaranam. It will not be Pradhanam. Vyavasthapayati, after that if we put comma, Bhavati Mananangatvam Shravanasya Ayatam Bhavet iti apattihi. Shravanasya Mananangatvam. Something in that Vakya is not clear. And we don't have any other source for this. You can leave it, but understand only this much. Darshana sadhanatvena avagatasya dhyanasya nididhyasanasya prayaja nyayena prakaranat. Purvapaksha is saying this. So then, Shravana Manana should become Anga. But Shravana Manana will be Anga, it will be according to Bhamati. So Shravana Mananayoho eva Angata apatte. But that is not the case. Why? Krama Samakhya, and that is not the case. And Krama and Samakhya, the last two. Shruti Linga Vakya Prakarana, Sthana and Samakhya. Sthana means this Patha Krama or Artha Krama. And Samakhya, cha Dura Niraste. They are Durat Niraste, Dura Niraste. So in Tippani, he has given Krama and Samakhya also. Sthanam Krama, Samana Deshata ityartha, in Samana Desha. For example, Yatha, Adhvaryava Kande, Adhvaryava Kande, Agneya Upanshu Yaja Agnishomiya Akhya Karmani, Kramena Amnatani, Jayamane Kande Tadvishaya Strayo Mantraha Kramena Uktaha. तत्र स्थान बलेन क्रमशः आग्नेयस्य प्रथम मंत्र, उपांशु याजस्य मध्यम मंत्र, अग्निशोमीयस्य अंतिम मंत्रो अंगम इति. So he gives krama, sthana krama. In Adhvaryava Kanda, in the Adhvaryu, where it is given, Agneya, Upanshu and Agnishomiya. Agneya Upanshu Yaja is given and Agnishomiya Akhya Karmani. They are Kramena Amnatani. So Krama is there, Saman Krama will be there. Agniya will be prathama, Upanshu will be madhyama, Agnisomya will be tritiya. Jayamane kande tad vishayaha trayoho mantraha kramena uktaha. So these mantras are kramena. Yoga balam now samakhya. Yoga balam samakhya. Parasparanvita atharva artha pratipa anvita parasparanvita परस्परान्वितौ अथवा अर्थ प्रतिपादक का परस्परान्वितौ अर्थ प्रतिपादका इति तत्वम. I will look at अर्थ संग्रह and clarify this part. यथा आध्वर्यवम औत्रम औद्गात्रम इत्यादिना अध्वर्युणा कर्तव्यम आध्वर्यवम इति प्रकृति प्रत्यय योग बलाद अध्वर्यु कर्तव्यत्वम प्रतीयते इति दिक्. All this from karma mimamsa. Advaryavam, Hautram, Audgatram. This is Samakhya. In Moolam, it is already said, Krama and Samakhya are not even remotely applicable. Dura niraste. Second number tippani. Shravanangatvam mananidhi dhyasanayor na kramena na va samakhyaya ashankaitum apikshamam. Shravanangatvam of mananidhi dhyasana, it is not because of krama or samakhya. Samana deshata rupa kramasya atra abhavat. Samana deshata rupa krama, somebody will say it is there after shravanam mananidhi dhyasanam. Means after you do one, then only you can do the other. After shravanam alone you can do mananam, after that alone you can do nididhyasanam. Just like here how they have given, after Agniya, then only Upashuyaga, then only Agnishwamya. Krama Bhanga you cannot do. टिप्पणीकार से समान देशता रूप क्रमस्य अत्र अभावात् योग बल रूप समाख्यायाश्च अभावात् इति भावात्. And Samakhya, Krama is also not there. Krama here means it is not that once Mananam starts, then there is no Shravana. Once Nididhyasanam starts, then there is no Shravana Mananam. There is no such thing. They will continue together. First you start with Shravanam, then after certain Shravanam, Mananam starts, then Nididhyasan starts, then all can go together back and forth. Unlike in Karma Kanda, one karma you take, finish, then only you take second one, Upanshu, then third, Agnisomya. While second is going on, then you don't do first or third. When third is going on, first, second are not there. So here it is not like that. Tika. Nanu asyam shruta vatmadharshananantaram vidyamanam shravanam eva prakarani Shrutyantarasya atadanusari vyakhyana sambhavat iti ashankya. Asyam shrutau, in the shruti, atmadarshananantaram vidyamanam. After shravanam, after atmadarshanam vidhanam, shravanam is the prakarani. Shravanam eva prakarani Shrutyantarasya atadanusari vyakhyanam sambhavat. The other Shruti, Shvetashvataradi, Atadanusari Vyakhyana Sambhavat iti ashankya kincha prayajadau angatva vicharaha saprayojanaha पूर्वपक्षे विकृतिषु न प्रयाजादि अनुष्ठानम सिद्धांते तु तत्रापि तदनुष्ठानम इति. In prayajadi angatva vichara has a prayojanam, has a purpose. Why? Because according to Purvapaksha, prayajadi, if they are not anga of Darsha Purnamasa, then they will become not applicable in Vikriti Yaga, like Saurya Yaga. Saurya Yaga is Vikriti of Darsha Purnamasa, which is Prakriti. In Vikriti, Prakritivat Vikriti Kartavya. So if Prayajadi are not included in Prakriti, they will not be there in Vikriti. So Siddhanti says no. That's why Prayajadi should become Anga of Darsha Purnamasa. Therefore, they will come in Vikriti also. So Siddhante tu tatrapi tadanushtanam iti. But all this discussion, Vikriti in Tika they have given, Vikritishu, Sauryadishu. But in all this discussion, Mukhya thing is, just in 2 lines, he is concluding. Prakrite tu na shravanam na kasyachit prakriti. Yena manan nididhyasanayost tatra api anushtanam angatva vichara phalam bhavet. Here, shravanam is not prakriti of anything by which manan nididhyasana have to be connected as anga. Tasya tasmat na tartiya sheshatvam manan nididhyasanayoho. And therefore, manan nididhyasana, they are not tartiya shesha. So, the whole discussion, what we have seen today, is just to prove that manan nididhyasana, they are not tartiya shesha. Like how it is there in Karma Kanda. But then how they are, that we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.